So the question is, the KSP of the AX3 is 10 to the power minus of 11 molar to the power 4, and for the BX3 is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus of 11 molar to the power 4. The X minus concentration in the solution saturated with both the salt is. So here for the first part, that is AX3, for the first part, that is a AX3. So AX3, it will break into the A plus of 3 plus 3X minus, and the KSP value for this is given as 10 to the power minus of 11 molar to the power 4. So the solubility for this case, it will be a X and it will be a 3X plus of Y. So when we define the KSP value for this, so KSP value for this, it will be X and it will be a 3X plus of Y to the power 3. Similarly for the BX3, it can be written as, that is B plus of 3 plus 3X minus. For here, it will be for the B plus 3, it will be a Y, and for this, it will be a 3X plus of Y. Similarly, same we can write it K dash of SP, that will be equal to Y, 3X plus of Y to the power 3. Now we have to calculate the X minus concentration in a solution that is saturated with both the salt is. So we'll add both the value, that is a KSP plus K dash of SP, that will be equal to the X plus Y to the power 4, and this will be 3 to the power 3. So K of KSP, K dash of SP, that will be equal to the total, that is 10 to the power minus of 11, and it is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus of 11. So 10 to the power minus of 11 will comes out common, and it will be 1.7 plus of 1, so it will be 2.7. It will be equal to the 2.7. Now this 3 to the power 3, so it will be a 27. So when we solve this, so X plus Y, that will be equal to the X plus Y to the power 4, that will be equal to the 10 to the power minus of 12. So from here, X plus Y will comes equal to the 10 to the power minus of 3. X plus Y will comes out equal to the 10 to the power minus of 3. But in the question, the X minus concentration in the solution. So X minus concentration in the solution is 3X plus of Y. X minus concentration in the solution is 3 times of the X plus of Y. So it will be 3 into 10 to the power minus of 3. 3 into 10 to the power minus of 3 molar. So the correct option to this question is option number 1, that is 3 into 10 to the power minus of 3 molar.